Hi everyone, today we're going to have a look at a rain shower that has a bit of pressure problems. I have to squat right here because I can't really get to the level where you guys can see everything. So first off, we'll have a look. You can see there's enough water pressure coming up from the wall, so your house pressure is not an issue. Well, however, when we come up here, okay, to the shower, as you can see, there is not much pressure, so there has to be a problem somewhere in the lines. If I bring it up to the rain shower as well, there's not much water pressure that's coming up from the top. So what we'll do is we'll take this apart and we'll have a look at what's going on inside. Okay, so from here onwards, it's alright. So I'll check these lines, I'll check the valve, then we'll go up and we'll check the rain shower itself. Hey, before we do that, do like, share and subscribe. Do hit the thumbs up. This will really help the YouTube algorithm, and we'll get into it. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to open up the joint here and have a look at it. Here, you grab your adjustable spanner and give it a twist. Okay, that should come out. Alright, as you can see, there's some signs of problem already. Alright, if you look, there's a bit of debris on the inside, so probably we are going to have a stuck water resistor or a stuck filter somewhere up the line. We check that. You see, the water here is not bad, we still got a bit of water pressure coming in from there. So that's not a problem. We'll go up here. Okay, we take that out. Right. Have a feel. That seems fine. Put this back. And we'll try that again. Yep, there's no problem there. I'll take this one out as well. Put this one back. I'll give this boy a tighten. Give this a tighten as well. Okay, and then I'll open this part. So you see there's a little slot at the side here, and this is for you to put in your adjustable spanner. Sometimes these things screw in the wrong way around. So just pull that part out and let's try. Okay, you can see the water pressure here is not too bad. And the water pressure here is not too bad either. So I believe we might have found the problem already. Okay, we'll just put that back. This one goes up here again. So there's nothing wrong with the valve. The valve is producing quite a bit of pressure. We will keep moving up. Actually, this should come around this way. Oh well. Okay. So there's pressure down there. Put the lines back. And we'll check the shower head. There we go. So there we've got water. Right, so I've taken off the shower head, and as you can see, it is blocked by some kind of sediment. So I put a tape over here to just mark out where my starting position is, and it's pretty simple. You grab a toothpick, okay, and just start opening up the holes one by one. It's a bit tedious, but I'll speed up the process so that you don't have to wait around for me. Yep, so that's done. I'll give the shower head a rinse, and we'll put it back up and see if everything works. This should run as well. Right, so there you've got it. Up there, good, that's good. So that's how you check your lines. You check the water pressure is okay. We had sand in the valve, and that's causing the clog, and it's now working. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. For more tips and tricks, do subscribe to my channel for regular updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.